So you've just signed up for iTracker, or you're thinking about signing up, and you're wondering, what can iTracker do for me? Well, let me show you a quick demo using Facebook, how this might be able to help you. So on Facebook, imagine you post a link that says, hey, check out iTracker360. And of course, this link is going to be a link to your business, but this is just an example. So I'm going to post this link on Facebook, and somebody, reads my post and they say, hey, let's check it out. So they click on the link, they land on my site, they might browse to different pages, check out pricing, testimonials, whatever, and at some point they're going to fill out a lead form. So let's just submit one real quick, and let's do kcdemo1@testing.com. And I'm going to submit this lead. I'm going to go into Infusionsoft. I just found this new lead that was just now created, and if you notice, for this lead, his lead source is now set to Facebook post checkout iTracker. The tags, and this is called tagging or tag-based tracking, they are now refreshed, and there's a tag assigned called Facebook post checkout iTracker. And if you want parts of this tag assigned in its own standalone tag for easier reporting for like saved searches and things like that, or maybe you're trying to trigger the campaign builder based on a specific tag, you can use these tags to do that. So these tags were created by iTracker. It's all dynamic. You don't have to create these ahead of time or anything like that. If you look at the custom fields for iTracker, you get the Facebook, it's a post, checkout iTracker, the referring URL, which was where the form was located, which was on our test page, and then the GA content, which is just a date that I set, which was today, and then the IP address. Now what we do with this IP address is we grab the address and we can set the city, state, and country. So this is what you're going to get out of iTracker, is a method, a way that you can pinpoint which Facebook post, which Twitter post, which Facebook ad, Google ad, a Bing ad, whatever you're doing. If you have control over the URL, you can build a custom URL and set this tracking data explicitly, and then you can do better marketing ROI, so you can see exactly what's converting between which ad. And all this data is pushed into Infusionsoft, so you can use this inside your Infusionsoft account for reporting. You can use this for your lead source ROI report. There's other features of iTracker outside of this. So from time to time, people I've seen, they have hundreds, if not thousands, of lead sources, and people are spread across all these different lead sources, and it's kind of hard to manage that. So in iTracker, we actually have a tool that you can use to manage those lead sources. So the idea behind that is that you go to this lead source organization feature, and all these are lead sources. Everything on the right are my junk lead sources where I really don't want people assigned to them. I just want people assigned to the lead sources that are on the left. So you just drag and drop the lead sources you want to designate as a main lead source. When you have that done, all your main lead sources will show up in bold, and all the other lead sources, kind of your junk ones, are just here in the regular color. And what you can do is say, you can file, all these lead sources under this. And what happens is every night, the iTracker system will pull down any leads that have, these different lead sources and then reassign them to this lead source. So this will help you organize your lead sources and keep them organized so that when you pull up a lead source ROI report, everything looks clean. You don't have lead sources scattered all over the place. So that's one feature of iTracker that's kind of built in. That's really nice to use if you need help with that. Another feature you can use is our URL builder. And so if you're building custom URLs just like the one that I used to promote Facebook using this post, and I said check out iTracker, what I've done is basically I went in here, I clicked Facebook post, the campaign was check out iTracker, and then I just set today's date. And so what you do is you build this URL. I'm just going to load this one, and this is the URL that you would use in your Facebook post or in your Google ad. If you want to shorten it, you can just shorten that and grab it, and then that's what was posted to Facebook. So all that works really well using iTracker, and that's actually industry standard stuff. All the big marketing guys do exactly what I'm doing. So iTracker gives you a tool to take this data, push it into Infusionsoft, and we give you some organizational tools. We can, give you this URL builder to keep a history of all the URLs that you've built. So there's a lot of different things built into iTracker, and hopefully this can help you and your business. Thanks.